Hey y'all, I'm about to show you the banginest raw vegan wrap. The best raw vegan wrap. Y'all, this wrap is about to be lit. Fresh, raw, vegan. Check it out. All right, here is our ingredients. We got organic coconut wraps, red bell pepper, avocado, hummus, lettuce, red onion, tomato, and cucumber. Boom! Here are your ingredients. Now let's assemble. Pro tip, I like to put a piece of lettuce down on the wrap first to hold the hummus. And spread it around like this. Line up the goods. Come with their very own piece of wax paper, so I can use it after, at the end. So I'm gonna do another hack, and I'm gonna put a piece of lettuce and make it an outside lettuce wrap. And then, voila! The best raw vegan wrap ever.